Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to bake that unicorn cake. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare 2 8-inch round cake pans by greasing and flouring them well. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This forms the dry base for your delicious cake. Next, let's make some dreamy buttercream frosting. Beat 2 sticks of unsalted butter until it's super light and fluffy, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Slowly add 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition. Stir in 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a smooth, flavorful frosting. Now, level your cooled cake layers for easy stacking. Now for the magical unicorn features. Roll out some white or gold fondant to create a majestic horn, about 5 inches tall and 2 small ears. Securely insert the horn into the top center of your frosted cake. Place the ears on either side, slightly behind the horn. Then, using different colored buttercreams and a star piping tip, create a vibrant, flowing mane around the horn and ears. This truly brings your unicorn to life. For the final enchanting touches, pipe delicate closed eyes and eyelashes onto the front of your cake using black frosting. Sprinkle edible glitter or colorful sprinkles all over for that extra magical sparkle. You can also add tiny fondant flowers or stars around the base of the horn for more charm. Finally, chill your magnificent unicorn cake for at least 30 minutes to ensure the frosting sets perfectly before serving. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.